Here's the irony. Green policies fuel a throwaway culture. Average car ownership is shrinking, while green incentives, less waste, better MPG, backfire. Cars become more complex, repair costs skyrocket, and when people trade them in to save on fuel and maintenance, it's burning nearly $50,000 and pumping over 10 tons of CO2 into the environment. These regulations sound great on paper, but are wrecking car ownership and the industry. So is Trump right to slash EPA regulations? Let's dive in. Nissan, now buried in problems, is a perfect example. It's all a beautiful dream. CVTs for fuel savings, seal transmissions, lifetime fluid, no service ever, for infinity. Green, cheap, genius, until your Altima or Rogue die at 80,000 miles. Repairs cost thousands, and the warranty, gone. But Nissan wasn't alone. Car makers loved this lifetime line, and many consumers fall for it. Nissan pushed lifetime fluid in the 2000s and early 2010s, then flipped to 60,000 miles after a flood of failures. Class actions, extended warranties, a mess. But lifetime fluid remains the hype across the industry. Subaru of America says its CVT fluid is lifetime, no service, but in Japan it's 30,000 miles for the exact same cars. ZF transmissions, lifetime from BMW, Chevy, JLR, you name it. Every car maker using ZF products agree. But ZF, the transmission maker, says otherwise. Change it every 50,000 miles. Toyota and Lexus too. Lifetime claims everywhere, except for severe driving conditions, which never seem to apply. The reality? All fluid degrades. Heat, wear, time. No engineer buys lifetime. It's marketing. Low upkeep sales. Waste reduction scores green points. And post-warranty, you are on the hook. What's the why? Not just engineering gone wild. Fuel economy rules, like CAFE's 50.4 mpg goal by 2031 or an annual 2% improvement of fuel economy every year, push CVTs, turbos, direct injection, and every cutting-edge innovation in the industry. EPA's RCRA and WasteWise love fuel fluid changes. Lifetime transmission fluid cuts all your trash. Looks so eco-smart. As for engines, synthetic fluids stretch intervals. 10,000 mile or even 20,000 mile oil changes sound slick. But those oils need 5,000 or even shorter intervals to survive. Car makers don't care after warranty. 60,000 miles, you are out of their hair. Nissan learned the hard way, but many others still stick to the script. Here is the irony. Green policies fuel a throwaway culture. Average car ownership is shrinking. US drivers keep their cars for around 8 years in 2024, down from 10 years in 2002. Why? Brilliant innovations like Honda's VCM cylinder deactivation saves gas, but burns oil, kills engines. Class action lawsuits prove it. Low tension rings for improved mileage leak and dilute oil, pollute even more. Repairs hit 5,000 out of pocket today. New cars almost 50,000 when cars become insanely complex and repair costs soar. They scare owners into shiny new rides promising savings on fuel and fixes. This isn't pure tech. Sales, marketing, and green pressures steer it. Waste rules reward less service. CAFE demands efficiency. Dealers want your next buy. Consumers, even mechanics, fall for it. They built it, they must know. Nope. ZF, the transmission guru, begs to differ. Honda's VCM failures show optimization can tank reliability. It's a business game. Your car is the pawn. Green policies, less waste, better mileage doesn't always turn out that green. Cafe's push for 50.4 mpg and waste reduction incentives like RCRA sound noble, but they are counterproductive. Nissan CVT flops, Subaru's geopolitics between Japan and USA, and BMW versus ZF disputes show lifetime claims are green on paper, gone in practice. They break cars early and speed up replacements over 10 tons of CO2 each time per the EPA. Car ownership has dropped to just 8 years today, not because cars cannot last. Technology is better than ever, but because priorities are completely upside down. When this game goes wrong, consumers and the planet get crushed at the bottom. So what can you do about it? Take charge, car owners. Oil changes, forget 10,000 miles. Turbo direct injection need 5,000. Use synthetic oil, check monthly, catch any problem early. Transmissions, no lifetime. Swap fluid every 30,000 miles. Nissan CVTs, Subaru transmissions, ZF, Toyota Aisin. Save them before they break or slip. Honda VCM? Disable it. $30 eBay kit stops oil burning right there. Spark plugs? Fouling is your clue, but act early. Nothing lasts forever. This keeps your car running, cuts repair bills, and trims waste smarter than lifetime ever could. Lifetime fluids and wild intervals come from sales smarts and green twists. Not evil perhaps, just off target. Thanks for watching Professor's Garage. This channel is your car care and DIY support. Tutorials, fixes, real talk. Thoughts, critiques, questions? Drop several comments below. Like if you are ready to outsmart all this, subscribe for more. If Professor can do it, you can do it. God bless you and your ride. Drive with peace. 平安。